Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see.
Most of all, Karen was my friend, and Karen had a lot of friends. Karen didn't judge people on their shortcomings. She was kind, funny, and loyal. She loved everybody, all the while keeping her own sense of style and attitude.
This is a sad day, and I should be celebrating her birthday in March, not celebrating her death here in January. This is the day that part of my soul got ripped from my being, and I have
good times. We laughed, we cried, we fought.
And I felt like a wave of just peace and calmness come over me, and I had my hat on even then, so I kind of really had to extra look up to see the sky. And when I looked up, there was just something way up there, and I thought maybe it was like a ladybug. It was just the right size, and the wings almost looked just right, which I also know are good luck. So, and then it started to get closer, coming like right at me, and I said, Jimmy, what is that? And it was actually one of those little helicopters that fall out of the trees, you know. And he still said, well, catch it, those are good luck. And I didn't even have to like wander for it. I just stuck out my hand and it landed right
so cool.
into my palm here this morning.
Beautiful.
So it was just a really peaceful way to start out this morning, and yeah, be here.
And snares we have already gone. 'Twas grace that brought us safe thus far, and grace will lead us home. When we've been there 10,000 years, bright shining as the sun, we know less days to sing God's praise than when we first begun. Amazing grace, how sweet.
so much for everyone that's donated with money and time and effort for everything. We are so close to getting the billboard paid off. I want to let you guys know that. Like, your time and effort is not in vain. Like, it is going to something. We are so close to getting it paid off. And because of the billboard, we've gotten a little bit of media attention and everything. Like, it really is helping, like, anything. So if it comes up in random conversation, bring it up. If it comes up with your checker at the grocery store, bring it up. You know, it's crazy like what a little conversation will do, and then what that little bug will put in their ear and then go to somebody